Before beginning any component replacement, be certain the unit is unplugged and thoroughly cooled down. If you are replacing the window glass gasket, first remove the glass from the door. It may be helpful to remove the door from the unit to do this. Refer to your owner's manual or the section of this service video on glass replacement for further instructions on removing the glass. The new gasket will already have adhesive on one side. Remove the paper on the adhesive side and place the gasket around the outside edge of the glass, centered over the edge. Begin at the bottom corner of the glass for reference. Fold the gasket edges over the glass, forming a U shape. Replace the glass in the door, securing the glass retaining clips. Do not over-tighten. Replace the door if you removed it.